Ever thought of combining your love for cheese and onion rings? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to the world of mozzarella onion rings. This tasty treat brings together the creamy goodness of mozzarella cheese and the crisp crunch of onion rings. The ingredients are simple: mozzarella, onions, flour, breadcrumbs, and eggs. The process is just as straightforward: stuff, coat, and fry. So buckle up, cheese lovers. We're about to embark on a culinary journey. First things first, gather all your ingredients. Quality counts, so make sure your onions are fresh and your mozzarella is top-notch. It's time to put on your imaginary chef's hat and let's get slicing. Take your onion and slice it into thick, juicy rings. Remember, these rings are going to be the cozy homes for our mozzarella, so don't make them too thin or they'll fall apart. On the flip side, let's slice that mozzarella into strips. Not too thick, not too thin, just right to snugly fit into our onion rings. Sounds like a cheese-onion love story, doesn't it? Now, the key here is to stuff the cheese into the onion rings. Treat them like little beds tucking the cheese in. Make sure the cheese fits snugly. You don't want it running away during our frying escapade. Now that you've got your cheese-stuffed onion rings ready, it's time to get them dressed for the party. No one likes a naked onion ring, so let's get these babies coated. First up, the flour. Now this isn't just for show, it's the first layer of our crispy armor. So make sure each onion ring gets a good dusting. Don't be shy. Think of it as a snowfall on a peaceful winter's day, only in your kitchen and with flour. Next up, the egg bath. This is where things get a bit messy, but hey, what's cooking without a little fun, right? You'll want to dip your flour-coated rings into beaten eggs. Make sure they're well soaked. This egg bath is the glue that binds our crispy armor together. Now the final touch, the breadcrumbs. Consider these as the sparkling diamonds on a beautiful gown. Roll the egg-dipped rings in breadcrumbs until they're completely covered. No bald spots, please. We want a full coverage for that golden brown finish we all crave. Remember, it's all about the layers here. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Repeat. It's like a mantra for golden, crispy, cheesy goodness. Don't rush it, take your time. Each onion ring deserves your full attention. Also, don't forget to keep your workspace tidy. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and happy kitchens make delicious food. Alright, we've got our onion rings all dressed up. It's time for the hot tub, or in this case, the frying pan. Remember, hot oil waits for no one. So, have your tongs ready and let's fry these rings till they're golden brown. Now, we're moving on to the exciting part, frying. Our onion rings are dressed to impress and ready for their hot oil bath. You might want to give them a pep talk, but don't worry, they're brave little circles of deliciousness. Ensure your oil is heated to just the right temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. Like Goldilocks porridge, it's got to be just right. Slide the rings in gently one by one. They should sizzle on contact, that's the sound of magic happening. Turn them occasionally like sunbathers seeking that perfect even tan. Fry until they're golden brown, the color of a perfect summer sunset. Once they've achieved that coveted hue, rescue them from their oily jacuzzi using your trusty tongs. Remember, the oil is hot, hotter than a summer in the Sahara, so handle with care. Drain the rings on a paper towel. Watch as it greedily soaks up the excess oil. Sprinkle them with a bit of salt while they're still hot. It's like adding a touch of fairy dust. It enhances the flavor and makes them even more irresistible. Serve them while they're still hot. There's nothing quite like biting into a crispy onion ring and having a river of molten mozzarella cheese flow out. Voila, there you have it, delicious crispy mozzarella onion rings, because cheese makes everything better, doesn't it? Eating these mozzarella onion rings is like having a mini cheese party in your mouth. Imagine biting into a hot, crispy shell, only to find an unexpected surprise. A river of gooey, stretchy mozzarella. It's a textural symphony, an unexpected delight, a culinary hug. Homemade, they bear the mark of love and the tantalizing promise of a kitchen adventure. Why not try making it at home? Share your own cheesy tales. Enjoyed the recipe? Like, share and leave a comment about your cheese-stuffed onion ring adventure. Can't wait to hear from you.